Passionate fan, I have an explosive update straight from the Jets backstage. The playing time statistics of our most valuable players have been revealed after the electrifying victory against the reigning NFC champions, the Philadelphia Eagles. So get ready for what I've just uncovered, because these stats are going to change the way you see our favorite team. If you're not subscribed yet, now is the perfect time to ensure you don't miss any of these first-hand updates from the New York Jets, right here on the channel. Stay tuned. Our quarterback, Zach Wilson, is shining with a 98% presence on the field and over 1,000 passing yards after taking over the position in Game 1, replacing Aaron Rodgers, who unfortunately suffered an early injury. And speaking of replacements, our offensive line has undergone some changes. Laken Tomlinson and Connor McGovern have been unwavering, while other players like Mekhi Becton and Elijah Vera Tucker have shown their versatility, adapting to different positions excellently. In the receiving department, Garrett Wilson is a force to be reckoned with, leading with 32 receptions, showcasing incredible performance in 91% of plays. Allen Lazard and Tyler Conklin have also been key players in our powerful offense. And we can't forget to mention Breece Hall, who's coming back from a serious injury and has already racked up 426 rushing yards and 2 touchdowns. Dalvin Cook and Michael Carter are also contributing significantly. Defensively, C.J. Mosley leads the team with an impressive 100% playing time so far. And even with some injuries in the cornerback position, players like Sauce Gardner and Michael Carter too have defended our colors with passion and determination. Bryce Huff is standing out with 2.5 sacks this season, showing that our defensive line is stronger than ever. And, of course, we can't forget to mention our talented special teams players, such as Jamian Sherwood, Ashton Davis, and Justin Hardy, who are making a difference in every game. And there you have it, Passionate Jets fan, a deep dive into the playing time statistics that show the resilience and strength of our team in every position. With this dedicated and determined squad, there's no limit to what we can achieve this season. Keep cheering and don't miss the exciting updates that are coming your way, always firsthand here on Jets News. Thanks for tuning in to Jets News, where the passion for football flies high and green. Until next time.